In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change mobile number in Yahoo Mail account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to verify your new number so your account stays secure and recoverable. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. If you're redirected to a local Yahoo site, that's perfectly fine. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner and select Sign In. Follow the on-screen prompts to log in. You may be asked for additional verification depending on your security settings. If you're on a shared computer, it's a good idea to avoid saving your login. After signing in, return to the upper right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Account or Account Info. This takes you to your account dashboard. Here, find and open the Security or Account Security section. This is where Yahoo keeps your recovery options and sign-in protections. Within the security settings, locate the phone numbers area. Select it to view your current recovery numbers. To add your new number, click Add Phone Number. A small form will appear. First, confirm the correct country code from the drop-down so messages can reach you. Then type your new mobile number carefully. Make sure it's a number you currently have access to, since you'll need to receive a text or call to verify it. When you're ready, continue with the on-screen process. Yahoo will send a verification code by SMS or offer a voice call. Enter the code exactly as shown to complete verification. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and check your signal. You can use the resend option if needed, and double-check that the number and country code are correct. If you mistyped, edit the number and try again. Once your code is accepted, your new mobile number will be added to your account and linked for recovery and security notifications. Look for any Save or Done button if it appears, and confirm that the new number now shows in the phone numbers list. That's it. The change is complete. To recap, you opened Yahoo in your browser, signed in, went to your profile and account management, opened security, selected phone numbers, added your new number, and followed the verification steps on screen. Keeping this information current helps you recover your account quickly